Alright, so here's this Rheem unit at my brother-in-law's mom's house. It's sort of loud if you ask me. This is running cool mode. It's very cool. It's got a cope and scroll compressor. It's really loud, and that line is super cold right there. And that's really hot. That's from 2013. It's a 3-ton. This replaced a 1994 Rheem Classic X stamped octagon design unit. See, this was the old line set for the Rheem stamped octagon. See, this is snipped. See that? So this right here is a 13 SEER unit. From the second week of 2013, so it's made in January. It's got a Protec and Gentec fan motor. It actually sounds really weird, I don't know why. It's not that quiet. The energy guide is mostly gone, but this is a 13 SEER unit. What is this? This is R22. Surprisingly. That's actually R22. It's a straight cool unit. It's matched to the air handler inside. The kitchen is like right over there. So it has an Emerson thermostat as well in it. This is pretty much noisy. Loud unit as well. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show the air handler. This is the 2013 Rheem 3-ton 13 SEER unit. Here's the thermostat for it. I'm not going to touch that. It's the people that install it. Air handlers in here. Oh, this is an old Ruud. Look at that. This is an old Ruud air handler. From 1992. That is an old Ruud unit. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.